An engineering student from Tamil Nadu has made name for himself with his innovation, which won him the cubes in a Space Global Design competition. The young innovator S. Riastin is a second-year student of Mechatronics Engineering from Shastra University. Riastin created a 37mm size femto satellite, VisionSat V1 and V2 with a payload of 30 mm, weighing 33 grams and is now world's lightest femto satellite as reported. He hails from Karanthai in Tamil Nadu's Tanjavur. Apart from polyethylamide thermoplastic resins, the boy deployed 3D printing technology to create the satellite. The competition was conducted by NASA and had 1,000 participants from 73 countries. The competition was held for students between the age of 11 and 18. The satellites are designed to record around 17 parameters with 11 sensors, and VisionSat V1 are scheduled to be the part of the SR-7 NASA rocket mission. The mission is likely to be launched from the Well of Flight facility, Virginia, USA in June next year, while Sat V2 will be the part of NASA balloon mission RB6 to be launched in August 2021. According to Riastin, the satellites are named as VisionSat V1 and V2 and both are of 37 mm in size, and payload is only around 30 mm with 33 gram weight, and thus it has become the world's lightest femto satellite. Shastra Vice Chancellor S. Vedra Subramaniam said, the Shastra TBI in 3D printing and IoT will offer an incubation grant of Rs 5 lakh to Riastin to fulfill his dream of establishing a successful startup. So it's very appreciable that Indian youngsters are using their minds in the improvement of our country. So what's your opinion regarding this matter? Please share with us in comment section below, and for more updates and career tips, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.